Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from SEOfinder where we explore the world of LinkedIn and how to leverage it to connect with businesses. Ever wondered how to score some points with your dream companies? Today we're cracking the code on tagging companies in your LinkedIn posts. Think of it like a virtual tap on the shoulder. It's a great way to get their attention and maybe even start a conversation. So how do we tag companies? You can give them a shout out by typing the @ symbol followed by their company name. LinkedIn will then show you a list of matching companies. Just pick the right one and there you are. Their name will be clickable in your post. Now, this tagging thing is a two-way street. Not only does it give the company a shout out, but they'll also get a notification letting them know you mentioned them. It's a great way to introduce yourself and potentially build a connection. And guess what? You can also tag companies in photos. Snap the pic with a company rep at a conference. You can tag them right in the photo. Just upload the image, click tag button, type in the company's name and select it from the list. Easy peasy. But what if you can't remember the exact name of the company's LinkedIn page? Well, you don't need to be worried because there are tools out there that could be a lifesaver. With SEOfinder LinkedIn Profile URL Finder, you won't face any hassle to connect with the right people. You can get more insight about our services by visiting our website at seofinder.io and see our pricing and plans as well. Now, there can be a couple of bumps in the road with tagging. Sometimes a company might have restrictions on their profile or maybe you're not connected with them yet. In those cases, tagging won't work. But if you follow these steps, tagging companies in your LinkedIn post should be a breeze. So next time you want to connect with a business on LinkedIn, remember the power of the tag. It's a simple yet effective way to break the ice and build relationships within your professional network. You can find more details about tagging companies by clicking on the link provided in the description. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used tagging to connect with companies on LinkedIn and what kind of results you got. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tricks.